Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing IP addresses and which of the following options is not a valid IP address. An IP address, or Internet Protocol address, is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the Internet Protocol for communication. These addresses serve two main functions: identification of the host or network interface, and location addressing. There are two types of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit numbers usually written in the dotted decimal notation, with 4 octets separated by periods, such as 192.168.1.1. IPv6 addresses, on the other hand, are 128-bit numbers written in hexadecimal notation, with 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits separated by colons, such as 2001, 0db8, 85A3, 0000, 0000, 8A2E, 0370, 7334. Now, let's take a look at some options and determine which one is not a valid IP address. Option A, 192.168.1.1. This is a valid IPv4 address, as it follows the dotted decimal notation and consists of 4 octets. Option B, 2001, 0db8, 85A3, 0000, 0000, 8A2E, 0370, 7334. This is a valid IPv6 address, as it follows the hexadecimal notation and consists of 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits. Option C, google.com. This is not a valid IP address, as it is a domain name and not a numerical label. Option D, 256.168.1.1. This is not a valid IP address, as it exceeds the maximum value for an octet, which is 255. In conclusion, option C, google.com, is not a valid IP address, as it is a domain name, not a numerical label. It's important to remember that IP addresses are crucial for communication on a computer network, and understanding their different formats and uses is an important aspect of network administration. Thank you for